Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So welcome to the Summer Splash event, color art giveaway. We have some great videos for you and chances to win great prizes. So you know what to do. I'm sure you've been watching, collecting those words, making that phrase so you can send it off to Leslie and enter to win that $400 prize. So you know you have to like, subscribe on each video, and you have the chance to win the small Prism Pour set. So that's awesome. So there's 15 chances to win here. How awesome is that? So what am I doing today? So I decided to keep with the Summer Splash. I'm going to be doing this little wood cutout of a seahorse. I sell a bunch of these, so I just thought it'd be cute to show you how I do it. I'm going to be using some resin art pigments. And the ones I'm going to be using today is Teal Magnolia. I have some Blue Moon. I have the Shooting Star Luster pigment. And that one I usually add to a dark blue. And in this case, I'm using Ocean Blue by Alumalite. I'm also going to be using the white Alumalite, and this is for my waves. And then I also have a Unicone Art Peacock green color. So these are the colors for my seahorse. I spray painted him just to give him a little base there. On the tail, I will be using sand and shells. So this is a mixed media piece. So I'm going to show you how I do that. Sorry, I'm going to have to speed this up, but just ahead of time, this is Elmer's Glue All, sand from my beach, and white, a little white paint and a little titanium, unbleached titanium by Liquitex Basics, and that's how I get the sand. And you make it and it's like a paste, okay? So I'm gonna put that all down on my tail. I'm gonna add some stones and shells and some fun things to that, and then that will dry, and I'll go ahead and I'll do my resin portion of the video. So yeah, that's about it. I'm using KS resin today. If you haven't tried it, give it a shot. I have a 5% off coupon code. I'll link it below. 20% off all color art products. So TSR 921, save yourself 20% on their website. So yeah, so let's get started here. I get my cutouts from 24 Hour Crafts. They have every kind of wood cutout imaginable. I have these ready to go. I'm making these, and it's not even Christmas yet, but I sell them anyway. Little snowmen, they're going to be beach ornaments. So yeah, little hearts, they have everything. These little hearts I do as well. So if you are interested in that, go check them out for all their wood cutouts. All right, guys, you know what to do. Watch for that word. It will be somewhere in this video. I hope you enjoy it, and good luck to everybody. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna add the sand to the tail very liberally, making sure you have a nice base to hold your gemstones or your shells, your crystals, whatever you decide to put on the tail. I end up putting shells, broken glass, some diamond dust mixed with sand. I always add that. It gives it a really, really beautiful shine and texture to it. So I use my finger to make sure I get in all those little crevices, and just so that the sides are covered with the sand. So that's basically all I'm doing here. And then you'll see me add all the shells and glass and all that fun stuff. I always add at least 1 or 2 real shells that I find from my walks on the beach. So enjoy the rest of this video. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment and I get back to you pretty quickly. And yeah, let's get started here. Okay, so after you're done mixing up your resin, according to the directions, you want to split up your resin into little cups and start putting your pigments in. The first one I'm going to be doing is the Teal Magnolia. You want to use about 10% pigment to your resin. With the powders, you can get away with a little bit more. With the pigment pastes and stuff like that, you really, especially if you're using an acrylic paint to tint your resin, you want to make sure you're only using 10% because the acrylic paint will really make it accelerate faster, and it makes it like gummy and sticky if you use too much. So that was the Teal Magnolia. Here is the Blue Moon, and this is probably one of my favorite colors. It's just so beautiful. It's like a rich royal blue. You see it in a second. Yeah. All right. And the next color is the Alumalite Ocean Blue. And to that, I'm going to add the Shooting Star. And this I do all the time in the dark blue because it just gives it a beautiful sparkle. So mix it really well to make sure it all incorporates. And the last color I have is the Unicone Art Peacock Green. And this is a mica powder, and it's a beautiful, beautiful color. Okay. And then I have a little cup for the white because I won't need very much. I think I put like 15 milliliters in here, a little dab of the white, stir it up really well, and you're ready to roll. So we are ready to put our colors down and get ready to make this little seahorse into an ocean resin scene. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye. Remember to look for that word.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. It's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going too. I'll follow you through the and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You you're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave, and if it all falls, if it all breaks, I'll still be here. We'll fix these mistakes. Wherever you're going,